Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have important files on your device and want to access them anywhere. In this video, I will show you how to upload files to iCloud. It's quick, easy and helps keep your files backed up and available across all your Apple devices. Let's get started. First, let's know what is iCloud Drive. Let's quickly talk about iCloud Drive. iCloud Drive is Apple's cloud storage service that you store files online instead of only keeping them on your Mac. You can see your Apple from your system preferences. You can see your iCloud Drive. Click on the Apple ID and you can see here your iCloud Drive and the storage given by iCloud Drive. Once uploaded, your files automatically sync across devices signed in with the same Apple ID. This means you can start working on a file on your Mac and access it later from your iPhone or iPad or another Mac. First, let's check that iCloud Drive is turned on or not. For that, what you have to do, open your system preferences, then go on Apple ID. Now select here iCloud. If it's already enabled, you are ready to upload files. As you can see, it is enabled. Let's upload the file on iCloud. Now what you have to do, open your Finder. In the left sidebar, you can see here iCloud Drive. Click on iCloud Drive. This is your cloud storage folder. Anything you place here will automatically upload to iCloud. Okay, let's suppose I want to upload this on iCloud. Just drag this a video or image or document, anything, to your iCloud Drive folder, and that's it. Just drag and drop any file into the iCloud Drive. As soon as you drop the files into iCloud Drive, macOS automatically start uploading it. As you can see here, 25 KB size of this file is uploading on iCloud Drive. To make sure your files has uploaded successfully, stay inside this folder iCloud Drive. If the icon disappears, the upload is complete. As you can see, the icon disappeared. It means the upload is completed. You can also right click on the files, get info. From here you can see it, iCloud Drive. It is on the iCloud Drive. Now once uploaded, your file becomes available anywhere. Simply sign in with the same Apple ID on your iPhone or iPad or another Mac. Open the Files app or iCloud Drive and you will see the uploaded file instantly. This is one of the easiest way to keep your files synchronized across all Apple devices. And some common problems, let's know you face if on this procedure and fixes of that. If your file is not uploading, check your internet connection first, that your Mac is connected to the Wi-Fi or not. Secondly, verify available storage. Click on your Apple menu, go on System Preferences, select your Apple ID. Now go on iCloud and you can see here the iCloud storage. Check the storage is available or not for the file. And the another step is sometimes Finder start glitches, so just completely close the Finder and then restart your Mac once. Okay, and if this also not fixes the issue, sign out into the iCloud from System Preferences, Apple ID. As you can see here, the iCloud, just disable this, remove from Mac. Okay, then restart your Mac again, then enable it again. And that's how to upload files to iCloud. Just open Finder, go to iCloud Drive and drag your file into the folder. macOS will automatically upload and synchronize that across your Apple devices. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and check out more Mac tutorials on the channel. Thank you for watching.